What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about boost controller. I finally got mine hooked up. I don't have a tab to the turbo here, so I can't go directly off the turbo, but I'm going from the throttle body to the wastegate, so that should work for now until I can get one tapped in. Today we're using a mechanical boost controller from the turbo kit. Right now it is on off. I'm just going to see if it's working, doing its function. I'm gonna have to do a test hit to see where the baseline is, and then after the test hit I'll give it like 4 clicks to see how much boost we increase. Then after that I'll open it up all the way, see how much boost we made off of a 2-pound spring. So for other updates, I do have a clutch on order, and it should be here sometime this week. Now, if you're wondering, I did already crank it up, warm it up, whatnot. So for those out there thinking I'm running this cold, I'm not. Once I get to this straightaway, I'll increase speed a little bit. We'll do a test hit in 3rd gear, see how much boost we make. I'm not going to do a full rip in 4th because, you know, no tune. I don't want to risk blowing it up. Three, 2, 1. That was with the boost controller off. I didn't rev it out all the way, it was just to 5,000. I'm going to get turned around here and here in a minute and give it about 3 or 4 clicks. Just one moment. Alright, boost controller has actually got 5 clicks in it now. So once I get over this hill, I'll do a pull. Same thing, 3rd gear, revving it out to 5,000. Y'all have to forgive me, my computer's not working though, so I'm having to do all this with my phone. So bear with me. Here we go. Test hit, 5 clicks. Definitely working. That was a lot more boost. So much more boost. I'm gonna get turned around here. See that open spot? Once I get into this spot, I'll open her up all the way. All for a good cause. That seemed to be about, the test hit itself seemed to be about 3 pounds of boost. My noggin here. Let's go. Check the positive and negative, so let's go all the way. I don't know how far this thing goes, but I'm gonna say that's pretty much open up all the way. The test hit, like I said, was about 3 pounds on a 2-pound spring. I would say that because the exhaust is probably giving it some back pressure. So I'll probably get an extra pound of boost. Other than that, the second hit seemed to be about 5 pounds. So 5 clicks equals about 2.5 pounds. So half a pound a click. See what we do while we're fully open. And 3, 2, 1. It did bog down. I don't have the fuel. Don't seem like it. I'll turn around and do it again downhill. That seemed to be about 8 pounds of boost. Close to it anyway. I don't know, I can't tell. I'm filming, looking at the gauge and driving at the same time, so you guys tell me how much it made. Turn around here. There's a car coming. People around here don't get a lot of YouTubers, so I kind of conceal the fact that I am a YouTuber in my hometown. People are afraid of what they don't understand. Again, third gear. Wait till I get to the straight here. That way we're pretty bottomed out. Alright, again, in 3, 2, 1. I didn't have my foot down all the way. Let's do it again. Sounds like I'm leaking. I got a charge pipe leak. See what's going on here. I don't see anything out of the norm. Not really. It's not bogging down, so it's not really hurting nothing. Well, there you have it. From what I could tell out of that last pull, I'm gonna turn it down. I think I'll run it 3.